Google Camera app may get overdue UI revamp with Pixel 8 series. The Google Camera app is one of the best smartphone camera apps on the market, but its user interface, UI, has remained largely unchanged for several years. However, that could be about to change with the upcoming Pixel 8 series. According to recent leaks, the Pixel 8 series will come with a major UI overhaul for the Google Camera app. The new UI is said to be more streamlined and user-friendly, with a focus on making it easier to access different camera modes and settings. One of the most notable changes is the separation of photo and video modes. In the current version of the Google Camera app, all of the modes are mixed together in a Rolodex. With the new UI, there will be a dedicated switch at the bottom of the app for toggling between photo and video modes. The new UI is also said to feature a redesigned settings menu, with a new quick access toolbar for frequently used settings. Additionally, the order of some of the camera modes is said to be changed, and some new modes are rumored to be added. The Google Camera app UI revamp is still in development, so it's possible that some of the details may change before the Pixel 8 series is released. However, the leaks suggest that the new UI will be a significant improvement over the current version. The Pixel 8 series is expected to be released in October 2023. If the leaks are accurate, the new Google Camera app UI will be one of the most anticipated features of the new phones. The new Google Camera app UI and features are expected to make the Pixel 8 series one of the best camera phones on the market. Users will have to wait until October to see for themselves, but the early leaks are promising.